Shaheen Shah Afridi is a Pakistani professional cricketer who plays as a fast bowler for the Pakistan national cricket team. He made his international debut for Pakistan in April 2018 and his test match debut for the national team in December 2018. However, in this video, we are going to talk about Shaheen Afridi's luxurious lifestyle, family, girlfriend, career, awards, records, physical stats, controversy, net worth, professional debut, unknown facts, house, biography, and everything. So please watch this video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell button for more updates. Shaheen Afridi's quick biography. Born name Shaheen Shah Afridi. Nickname Shaheen. Occupation professional cricketer. Ethnicity Asian. He is of Pashtun Zakha clan of the Afridi tribe. Descent. Zodiac signs Aries. Date of birth April 6, 2000. Age 21 years. Place of birth Landi Kotal, Pakistan. Nationality Pakistani. Religion Islam. Net worth $1 million. Manager. He is represented by Talha Aisham, manager and booking agent, Saya Corporation, Sports Management Agency, Pittsburgh, Allegheny County, Pennsylvania, United States. Shaheen Afridi's family details. Father, Ayaz Khan, former government officer. Siblings, Riaz Afridi, older brother, former professional cricketer. He has 5 other older brothers. Others, Yasir Afridi, cousin, soccer player. Shaheen Afridi's professional debut. ODI versus Afghanistan at Sheikh Zayed Stadium, Abu Dhabi on 21st September 2018. Test versus New Zealand at Sheikh Zayed Stadium, Abu Dhabi on 3rd December 2018. T20 versus West Indies at National Stadium, Karachi on 3rd April 2018.
Shaheen Afridi's physical stats. Body types, athletic. Height, 6 feet 6 in, 198 cm. Weight, 83 kg or 183 pounds. Eye color, dark brown. Hair color, dark brown. Distinctive features, toned physique, side-parted, wavy hair, clean-shaven look. Shaheen Afridi's career and records. Batting style, left-handed bat. Bowling style, left arm fast medium. Playing role, bowler. Coach/mentor, Riaz Afridi. Records, main ones. At the age of 19, he took a fifer in a match against the Bangladesh cricket team during the 2019 Cricket World Cup, and hence, became the youngest cricketer to take a 5-wicket haul in a World Cup match. He holds the record of best bowling figures, 8 for 39 in the Khadi Azam Trophy, by a Pakistani bowler on his first-class debut match. Shaheen Afridi's awards. PCB's Impactful Performance of the Year, 2021. Shaheen named in ICC Men's Test Team of the Year for the year 2021. Named in ICC Men's T20I Team of the Year for the year 2021. He won the Sir Garfield Sobers for the ICC Men's Cricketer of the Year of 2021. Shaheen Afridi's controversy. In 2019, Shaheen created a controversy after he made an alleged racist comment at a Pakistani journalist, during a press meeting after a match. When a journalist sitting in the conference asked him a question, he replied, "Thoda light apne ap kareen, thoda se nazar arimaj. Please throw some light on yourself so that I may see you clearly." Shaheen Afridi's girlfriend name. Aqsa. In March 2021, legendary Pakistani former professional cricketer Shaheen Afridi had tweeted that Shaheen's family had asked his daughter Aqsa's hand in marriage. It was later reported in Pakistani media that both the families had agreed to the match, although no date for their engagement had been set. It was also unclear whether Shaheen and Aqsa had ever dated until then, as it was quite likely that the two families had directly met for the proposal given their common connection with cricket and their standing in the larger Afridi tribe. Shaheen Afridi's unknown facts. In the second innings of his first-class debut match for Khan Research Laboratories in the 2017-2018 season of the Quaid Azam Trophy, Shaheen had recorded phenomenal figures of 8 for 39. This was the then best performance by a Pakistani bowler on his first-class debut. In September 2020, during the T20 Blast, England's premier domestic T20 competition, he had achieved the rare feat of picking up 4 wickets in 4 successive bowls, eventually ending up with a scarcely believable spell of 6/19. The following month, in the 2020-2021 edition of the National T20 Cup in Pakistan, he had recorded match figures of 5 for 20 and 5 for 21 in the space of 4 days. During the 2019 ICC Cricket World Cup, he had produced a spell of 6 for 35 in Pakistan's match against Bangladesh, becoming the youngest bowler to take a 5-wicket haul in a World Cup match. Shaheen Afridi's house address. Shaheen Afridi lives in a luxurious house which is located in Landi Kotal, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Pakistan. Shaheen Afridi's social media. Facebook. 2.7 million followers plus. Twitter. 769.7k followers plus. Instagram. 682k followers plus.